Miles, what are you eating? You eating ketchup? Are you dipping your fingers in the ketchup? Mmm. Is that good? Mmm. You love ketchup? Oh, yummy, yummy. Is that funny? Why don't you eat some of your hamburger and french fries? Miles. Miles. Ew. Woo! What is that? That's ketchup. You gonna lick it? Mommy's just going to give you ketchup for dinner from now on. Yeah, isn't that funny? You're too funny. Are you silly boy? Say bye-bye, Mama.